Secretary, I'm sure you've been hearing these reports, rumors that there are moves to disband the PEC in KwaZulu-Natal. Can you put those reports to rest, please? Is that what the NWC will be considering based on the reports that it will get? Is that something that is being discussed or not?
Well, I can't comment on that at the present moment. From where I was deployed in eThekwini, something like that did not arise from the structures on the ground. The preoccupation here is how we lost and what needs to be done in the province. I cannot comment about disbandment, as disbandment is not the preoccupation of our visit. There might be others who wish for that, but you don't build by disbanding. There are important things that needs to be done to strengthen this province. First, with a proper understanding and a diagnosis of what actually happened in this province. From the point of view of the elections, why we lost so many people, why people did not come out and vote in their numbers. KwaZulu-Natal registered the highest turnout in terms of the national elections. I think 58.2% overall percentage come from this particular province. And largely that number went to Jacob Zuma party in KZN. So we need a dipstick analysis about not what happened, we know what happened, dipstick analysis about why things turn out in that particular way politically. And that's what we're about. So there's no preoccupation on the part of the NWC about the disbandment of structures and the PEC in particular.